come at this a few ways. First thing is we need the names of all front companies, limited partnerships, LLCs, and all that.
LLCs?
Limited liability corporations. Start with the nightclub, which Barksdale owns. Look up Orlando's. By address, you match it. You see it's owned by who?
It's on Baltimore Street, right?
There's one for you.
Got it. D&B Enterprises.
Hand it over to Press, who's gonna get off his ass and walk on over to the state office buildings on Preston Street.
Preston Street?
Corporate charter office.
Corporate who?
They have the paperwork on every corporation and LLC licensed to do business in the state. You look up D&B Enterprises on the computer, you're gonna get a little reel of microfilm. Pull the corporate charter papers that way. Write down every name you see. Corporate officers, shareholders, and more importantly, the resident agent on the filing, who is usually a lawyer. While they use front names, as corporate officers, they'll usually use the same lawyer to do the charter filing. Find that agent's name, run it through the computer, find out what other corporations he's done the filing for, and that way we find other front companies.
Well, while he's doing that, what do I do?
You're gonna keep your head in this here assessment book. Look up any properties that you can connect to Barksdale. How do you know it connects to Barksdale, right? For one thing, you work off of what Prez gets you from the corporate charter documents. Whatever companies he links to Barksdale or people connected to Barksdale, you look for those companies in the city land records.
Huh?
For example, McNulty said that he heard that Barksdale owned an apartment building up on Druid Park Lake. You look up all the blocks on Reservoir Hill. See if there's anything owned by D&B Enterprises or any other company that Prez finds through corporate charter or anything similar. If you find something that fits, you write down the photo number so that you can look it up later at the courthouse. You don't find anything, just take the names of all the corporate listings for the multi-units near the lake. You call that list over to Prez, who pulls the charter papers, and he'll look for connections.
This is like a scavenger hunt.
Yeah, but what if Barksdale is careful? I mean, what if we can't find his name on anything?
In this country, somebody's name has got to be on a piece of paper. A cousin, a girlfriend, a grandmother, a lieutenant he can trust. Somebody's name is on a piece of paper. And here's the rub. You follow drugs, you get drug addicts and drug dealers. But you start to follow the money, and you don't know where the fuck it's gonna take you.
We're running around on this. What are you gonna do?
You need something?
Yeah, let me get the campaign financial reports for Western districts and actually any citywide race.
You want quarterly reports or individual donor lists?
Oh, please.
It'll be a couple hundred pages.
Really? I'll take all of it.